Namaste. Welcome back to Move It. We are going through the series Office Chair Mobility Hacks, and today we are going to talk about our hips. Sitting in office chairs, be it home office or office, our bodies become immobile and most of the burden is being carried by our hips because it's the least likely body part that gets any movement. And today we are going to talk about how to move our hips while we are continuously working sitting in chairs. It's not easy because we are not expected to lift it while doing these movements because we are doing office chair mobility hacks. But nonetheless, we have curated, I think, 4 to 5 movements for you, which I'm going to demonstrate shortly. Please bear this in mind that these movements are going to be as impactful to a sedentary human being who's sitting in the office most of the times, or it is equally beneficial to a very active athlete or a sports person who loves to play or who loves to run. So even if you are not an office sedentary human being, use these movements maybe before your sports session or your running session as a warm-up, and they are going to help you in the long run. So let's get into the movements. Breathe, brace, lock the core, proud chest, lift your leg up, left hand on right shin, elbow on the knee. While you are still straight, start pressing your elbow into the knee and feel the stretch going down on the side of your bum at piriformis. Breathe out, breathe in. All this while, the back will not bend. Core will be braced. Breathe out, breathe in. And you switch the hip. For this movement, we'll start with sitting at the edge of the chair, don't fall off, and start by marching while your torso is upright. Proud chest, torso upright, and once you've done 4 or 5 repetitions, then you use your hands to squeeze your knee towards the chest. All the time, feel the stretch in your glutes. The idea is to stretch the glute, the bum. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Sit at the edge of the chair, legs straight, and do heel taps. You may want to put one hand on your buttock so that you know it's that muscle which is getting the real movement. You lift your leg using your bum muscle. Obviously, switch the leg. Do 10 repetitions on both sides. I remember having told you at the beginning of this series that sitting in the office chair, we internally rotate ourselves. Now, hips are one muscles. When we are sitting slouched, they are most of the times externally rotated. Now, this move is going to rotate them internally. So you sit at the edge of the chair. You may want to hold your hands onto the handrails of the chair and move like this. Again, be very careful that you are not twisting your back, but you are twisting your hips when you are doing this. So the back remains relatively straight and vertical with the torso while you twist at the edge of the chair using your hip muscles. The final movement of today is hip hinge. It's a movement very similar to good mornings or deadlift or even squat. So feet flat on the ground, knees slightly open. Breathe, brace, lock your core and bend forward without bending the back. So collarbone goes forward. Feel the stretch in your hips straight. Breathe out, breathe in. You have to feel the stretch in the hip muscles. I repeat, without bending the back. The spine remains erect all the time. Breathe out, breathe in. Congratulations, we've come to the end of the part. Please practice these movements while you are sitting and working in your office chairs. Please bear in mind that they are not going to substitute your intermittent walks. So whenever possible, every 30 to 60 minutes, try to take 2 to 5 minutes walk. That is going to be extremely beneficial. In the meantime, eat well, stay hydrated, rest well, and stay happy. Namaste.